And well, hello there. It has been a very, very long time. I can honestly say that I've been missing a lot of my van build, and well, I'm in my van build right now. And there's a few things that it definitely needs. One is the ongoing issue of the battery. I did get a replacement battery, but there's something more. I think it's the wiring. So I might have to redo some parts of this van. It's been really difficult across the board in terms of trying to maintain what I've got. It's a beautiful build, I think. I had a lot of fun with it, and I'm still having a lot of fun with it, but it's not doing what I needed to do right now. So there's probably going to be some things that I'm going to be doing differently. Number one, I'm looking at probably getting a two 100 amp hour lithium batteries. So that way, it'll be much better. The AC, I think the AC had something to do with it in terms of I think I drained the battery. I think that's what had happened. Somehow maybe I left the AC on. But anyway, the batteries are pretty much shot, and what I have right now are just sort of temporary batteries, so I could do basic stuff here. I went camping this year. I didn't do any videos because I just wanted to, get as far away from the technology. I did take pictures and stuff just for, bits and pieces here and there, but nothing really extensive, nothing that I could make a video about. I mentioned earlier, it's been a long time since I've done this, and take a look at this van. It's going to change again, and maybe it might not even be this van. It might be another van. So I am looking for another van. I would like to get another van, something larger. I mean, if I could get a van where I could actually stand up in, that'd be pretty cool. But like anything else, there's a budget you have to keep. You have to be sensible about these things, right? And sometimes what we want may not be the most sensible thing. And see where that goes. But I just want to say hi, hello, and I really miss being able to travel more in my van build. I've got a different schedule. I've got a different life and lifestyle, vastly different than it was when I first started this YouTube channel. And maybe I'm going to share some of that with you guys and see where that goes. But anyway, just want to say hi, hello, and hopefully I do something interesting that you guys might like. I'm going to get back to some of the messages that I got and some of the messages that were posted, and do my best. And really, that's all I can do these days, right? Anyway, autumn is coming up, or fall, whatever you want to call it, and it's going to be much cooler. It's going to be much more fun. Hopefully go on some adventures, mini adventures at this point. I can't do anything long term, but I'll definitely share what I can share and whatever else I might do to this van build. Okay guys, and one thing I haven't said in a long time. I haven't said this in a long time. And that is, remember, you're awesome. Okay? We'll talk again.